Welcome to this comprehensive guide on becoming a highly paid Flutter developer. In today's rapidly evolving mobile development landscape, Flutter has emerged as a game-changing framework, and companies are willing to pay premium salaries for developers who truly master it. We'll explore the path to commanding an impressive salary of 80 lakhs per annum, a goal that's absolutely achievable with the right strategy and dedication. This journey isn't just about coding. It's about becoming a complete professional who brings substantial value to organizations. Throughout this guide, we'll break down exactly what it takes, from mastering advanced technical concepts and architectural patterns, to building a powerful professional network, and positioning yourself strategically in the job market. Whether you're currently a junior developer or a mid-level engineer looking to level up, this roadmap will show you exactly what steps to take and what skills to focus on. Remember, reaching an 80 LPA salary isn't just about years of experience. It's about the depth of your expertise and the value you can demonstrate to potential employers. The foundation of a high-paying Flutter career lies in developing expertise that goes far beyond basic app development. Let's dive deep into what this really means. First, you need to master advanced state management solutions. This isn't just about knowing how to use provider or block, it's about understanding the underlying principles and knowing exactly when to use each solution. You should be comfortable explaining why you might choose Riverpod over provider in certain scenarios, or when Mob X might be more appropriate than block. Performance optimization is another crucial area. You need to understand Flutter's rendering engine at a deep level, how the widget tree is built, how to optimize it, and how to prevent common performance pitfalls. This includes mastering concepts like widget rebuilding optimization, understanding the difference between stateless widget and stateful widget at a performance level, and knowing how to use const constructors effectively. Moving on to architecture, you should be able to implement clean architecture principles in Flutter applications. This means creating maintainable, scalable applications that separate concerns effectively. Understanding dependency injection isn't just about using get_it or injectable. It's about knowing how to structure your application so that it's testable and maintainable. Additionally, you need to master platform integration. This means being able to write platform-specific code when needed, understanding how to create custom platform channels, and knowing how to optimize your app for different platforms. You should be comfortable working with native apps when required and know how to handle platform-specific features elegantly. Your portfolio is your personal brand in the Flutter ecosystem, and it needs to be exceptional to command top salaries. Let's talk about what a high-value portfolio looks like. Start with 2 or 3 flagship projects that demonstrate complex problem-solving abilities. These shouldn't be simple CRUD applications, they should showcase your ability to handle complex state management, implement sophisticated UI/UX patterns, and deal with challenging technical requirements. For example, consider building a real-time collaboration tool with Flutter, implementing complex animations and custom painters, or creating an offline-first application with sophisticated data synchronization. Each project should tell a story about your technical capabilities. Document your architecture decisions, performance optimizations, and the challenges you overcame. When it comes to open-source contributions, quality matters more than quantity. Look for opportunities to contribute to popular Flutter packages, especially in areas that showcase your expertise. This might mean improving performance, adding new features, or fixing complex bugs. Technical writing is another crucial aspect of your portfolio. Start a blog where you deep dive into advanced Flutter concepts. Explain complex topics in a way that demonstrates both your technical knowledge and your ability to communicate effectively. Topics could include custom render objects, platform-specific optimizations, or advanced state management patterns. Remember to include metrics and benchmarks in your portfolio. Companies love seeing quantifiable improvements you've made to previous projects. Networking is often undervalued by developers, but it's crucial for reaching high salary brackets. Let's explore how to network effectively in the Flutter ecosystem. First, establish yourself as a knowledge sharer in the community. This doesn't mean you need to become a full-time content creator, but you should regularly contribute valuable insights. Start by speaking at local Flutter meetups, share your experiences with solving complex problems or implementing advanced features. As you gain confidence, target larger conferences. Flutter conferences are always looking for speakers who can share practical, real-world experiences. When creating content, focus on quality over quantity. One well-researched technical article that solves a specific problem is worth more than several surface-level tutorials. Join Flutter-focused Discord and Slack communities, but don't just lurk, actively participate in technical discussions. When you help others solve problems, you're not just building goodwill, you're also demonstrating your expertise to potential employers and colleagues. Build relationships with Flutter GDEs, Google developer experts, and other prominent community members. Follow them on social media, engage with their content meaningfully, and look for opportunities to collaborate on projects or content. Remember, many high-paying job opportunities never make it to job boards, they're filled through network recommendations. Additionally, focus on building relationships with technical leaders at companies you're interested in. Attend company-specific tech talks, participate in their open-source projects, and engage with their technical content. Securing a high-paying Flutter position requires a strategic approach to job searching and negotiation. First, let's talk about targeting the right companies. Look for organizations where mobile applications are central to their business strategy, not just a side project. These companies are more likely to value and compensate Flutter expertise appropriately. Research companies that have publicly committed to Flutter or have significant Flutter projects. When it comes to interview preparation, you need to go beyond just coding challenges. Prepare for system design interviews that focus on mobile applications. Be ready to discuss topics like offline-first architecture, real-time synchronization, and handling poor network conditions. Practice explaining your technical decisions and their business impact. During interviews, showcase your understanding of Flutter internals. Be ready to discuss how Flutter's rendering engine works, how you've optimized performance in previous projects, and how you approach testing and maintenance. For negotiation, preparation is key. Research salary ranges for Flutter developers across different companies and regions. Document your achievements and impact in previous roles with specific metrics. When discussing compensation, focus on your total value proposition, your technical expertise, community contributions, and ability to mentor others. Be prepared to discuss multiple components of compensation including base salary, equity, and bonuses. Have at least 2 to 3 competing offers to strengthen your negotiating position. Remember to negotiate not just salary, but also opportunities for growth and impact within the organization. Maintaining a high salary in tech requires continuous evolution. The Flutter ecosystem moves quickly, and you need to stay ahead of the curve. Set aside dedicated time each week to explore new Flutter features and best practices. Don't just read about them, implement them in side projects or propose improvements to your current projects. Beyond Flutter itself, build expertise in complementary areas. Understanding backend development allows you to architect better full-stack solutions. Knowledge of DevOps practices helps you contribute to CI/CD pipelines and build processes. Cloud services expertise helps you make better architectural decisions. Focus also on developing business acumen. Learn to translate technical concepts into business value. Practice explaining complex technical decisions to non-technical stakeholders. Understand how your technical decisions impact key business metrics like user engagement, retention, and revenue. Keep track of the impact of your work. Document improvements in app performance, user engagement, or development velocity. These metrics will be crucial for future salary negotiations. Additionally, stay active in the Flutter community. Consider creating educational content, mentoring other developers, or contributing to Flutter itself. Building a strong personal brand as a Flutter expert can open doors to high-paying opportunities. Reaching an 80 LPA salary requires a strategic approach to career progression. Let's break down this journey into manageable phases. In your first 2 years, focus on building a solid foundation. Master core Flutter concepts, contribute to increasingly complex projects, and start building your portfolio. Don't rush this phase, deep understanding is crucial. During years 2 to 3, start taking on more responsibility. Lead smaller projects, mentor junior developers, and develop expertise in specific areas like performance optimization or complex state management. Build your reputation in the community through content creation and speaking engagements. Years 3 to 5 are critical for reaching high salary brackets. Take on architectural leadership roles, drive technical decisions, and build thought leadership in the Flutter community. Focus on projects that have significant business impact and require complex technical solutions. Remember that this timeline can be accelerated through strategic moves and exceptional performance. Always be learning, building, and sharing your knowledge. Document your journey, celebrate your wins, and stay focused on your goals. With dedication and the right strategy, an 80 LPA salary is absolutely achievable in your Flutter development career.